Viral hepatitis is going to affect only liver. So ALT will be higher in case of hepatocellular disorder. But alcoholic hepatitis, alcohol not only produces problem in the liver but also pancreas. So this is how we can interpret it as why AST is more elevated in case of alcoholic liver disease, because it is also maybe coming from pancreas as well. You must have been aware about acute pancreatitis, pancreatic cirrhosis, more common in case of an alcoholic patients. Alcoholic patients. So acute hepatocellular disorders, ALT is higher than or equal to ASTs. Viral hepatitis or NAFLD. NAFLD is an acute liver failure disorders. AST ALT ratio is typically less than 1 in case of viral hepatitis. That means ALT is more compared to ASTs, but in cirrhosis develops, this ratio raises to more than 1. This is also again confusing. So in case of an advanced liver failure, liver disorders, AST to ALT ratio is typically less than 1 in case of viral hepatitis. But if viral hepatitis converts into cirrhosis, then this ratio becomes more than 1. So again, AST is going to be more than ALTs. So this is also an important point here. So in all acute liver disorders, ALT is higher than ASTs. In alcoholic liver disease, AST is more than ALT. But in viral hepatitis, if it become chronic, if it becomes cirrhosis, again it becomes an AST more than ALT. So let's say, for example, this is how we can interpret it as, if your patient who is an alcoholic hepatitis patient, alcoholic, let's say for example, and you are finding that AST is more than ALT, that means you can say that it may be developing into a cirrhosis or alcoholic hepatitis is going to be there. Or if you have a patient who is a chronic, this is how we can interpret it as, pay attention well, chronic hepatitis B. As we talked about viral hepatitis, which one is more? ALT is more than viral hepatitis, ALT is more than AST. But if the same patient comes to you after 5 years and you can see that now AST is becoming more than ALT, pay attention well. Viral hepatitis mein alanine transaminase is more than AST. But if this patient goes into cirrhosis, the ratio is going to become reverse. That means AST is going to be more than ALT. That means if there is a chronic hepatitis B patient, how will you come to know that patient is going into cirrhosis? If the ratio reverses. That means if AST is becoming more than ALT in case of a viral hepatitis, a chronic stage, that means this chronic viral hepatitis is converting into, becoming into cirrhosis. So this is what is one line gives you the interpretation. Remember, because cirrhosis will be a ultrasound diagnosis or maybe an MRI diagnosis. But with the help of blood investigation also, we can find out whether the hepatitis B carrier patient is going into cirrhosis or not. Because hepatitis B may ALT is more than AST. If the patient comes for the follow-up and AST is more than ALT, that means the patient is going into cirrhosis. That means the prognosis becomes a little bit more concerned if the ratio reverses. This is what is one particular important line which gives us an idea about. So viral hepatitis in case of cirrhosis develops, this ratio raises to more than 1. That means AST is going to be more than ALT. That is what it becomes a logical. This was in case of an alcoholic hepatitis. AST, ALT का interpretation in case of alcoholic viral hepatitis. In case of alcoholic liver disease, what would be your presentation? As we already talked about, in the beginning itself, in case of alcoholic hepatitis, AST will be more than ALT, more than 2. The AST in alcoholic liver disease is rarely more than 300 and ALT is often normal. Can you see that? So aspartate transaminase is the main enzyme getting elevated in case of an alcoholic liver disease. And it is not much elevated. Can you see that? It is only up to 300, rarely more than 300, because it's a slow damage. It's not an acute damage. alcoholic hepatitis. Alcohol is a slow alcohol-induced damage that is happening in the liver as well as the other organs maybe. So AST in alcoholics liver disease is rarely more than 300. In viral hepatitis, we have seen AST ALT going into thousands. But the ratio is more in favor of ALT in case of viral hepatitis. In alcoholic liver disease, AST in alcoholics is rarely more than 300 and ALT is often normal. So if you see a patient who is having AST more than ALT, you can see that the patient is, or ALT is normal, only AST is getting elevated, it is not a viral hepatitis. Somebody who doesn't know this interpret it as an okay, usko hepatitis bhi hua hai, jaundice bhi hua hai, and this can be difficult to manage then. So AST in alcoholic liver disease is rarely more than 300 and ALT is often normal. A low level of ALT in the serum is due to an alcohol-induced deficiency of pyridoxal phosphate, which is a coenzyme required for synthesis of ALT. A low level or a normal level of ALT because of pyridoxal phosphate, which is a coenzyme of the vitamin, is required for the ALT enzyme. So ALT in case of alcoholic liver disease AB normal, AST is only getting elevated. AST is only getting elevated. So this is what becomes an important slide. Upper half is the interpretation of